Hey friends, I'm Sneesh from Team Must. I'm back here again with another cool aptitude trick, and this time the topic being dices and cubes. So this video is for those who are gonna get the answer really quick, within no time, or for those who lack somewhere in 3D imagination or find it a bit difficult to get the answer visualizing the 3D figures. So all you need to do is get back and relax and watch this video, and I assure you that after watching this video you're gonna get the answer correct always and always. There won't be even 0.1% chance that you're gonna get the wrong answer. So let's start with this trick. There are three types of questions generally asked in the topic cubes and dices. The type 1 being you may be given 4 or 3 figures and you may be asked to find the opposite face of a given face, or there may be 2 figures and you are asked to find the opposite face of a given face. The third type being you are given an unfolded cube and you are asked to find a face. So these are the basically types. So the first type we're going to solve using elimination method. Whether you're given 4 figures or 3 figures, we're going to use this elimination method for this type. And in the questions when you're given only 2 figures, we're going to use orientation method. I'll tell you in this coming video. Orientation method. And for this unfolded cube one, we're going to use a special trick, as I'm going to discuss now. So let's start with the first type of questions. So in this question we are given 4 figures and we are asked to find the face which is opposite to the face 6, which contains 6. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna write the number 6 and we're gonna write all the faces which just can't be opposite to the face 6. That means which we can see that they are adjacent, so they just cannot be to the face which is opposite to 6. So from the first figure we see that 3 and 2 are adjacent to 6, so we're gonna write this 3, 2. And from second figure I can see that 2 and 4, so 2 I have written first, so I'll write in 4. From third figure I can see that 5 and 4, so I'm gonna write 5 as 4 is already written. So these are the numbers which just can't be opposite to the face which contains 6, because they are just adjacent to the face which contains 6, so they just can't be opposite to 6. So remaining numbers are 1 and 6 itself, so that simply means that opposite to the face 6 would be 1. That's it. Let's see another example. This time we are given 3 figures and we are asked to find the face which is opposite to the 6, the face which contains the number 6. So again we're gonna do the elimination method. We're gonna write all those faces which are adjacent to 6, and we're gonna see from the figure 2 we can see that opposite adjacent to 6 and the number 3 and 4, and adjacent in the figure 3 I can see 5 and 2, so 5 and 2. So the remaining again the numbers 6 and 1. 6 itself is a number, so that simply means that 1 is opposite to the number 6. That's it, as simple as that. Now let's see one more example, another example. Now this example is from the type 2, in which you are given only 2 figures and you are asked to find the face opposite to the given face, and in this question you are asked to find the number which is opposite to the number 4. So at the start of the video I told you that you're going to follow the orientation method for the type 2, in which you're given only 2 figures. So what is basically the orientation method? Let's see. So basically for the first cube I'm going to write this way, 2, 3 and 1, and for this cube I'm going to write this way, 6. Hope you understand it. 3 and 5. Now find the common number in both the figures. So in this case 3 is common in the figure 1 as well as figure 2, so you're going to rotate it either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So I'm just starting it with the clockwise. So suppose I rotate it clockwise, what I get is 3, then 1, then 2. And when I rotate from this figure 2, when I rotate it clockwise, I get 3, 5 and 6. So for the figure 1 I got 3, 1, 2, and for the figure 2, from the figure 2 I got 3, 5 and 6. Now you get the answer. Now the opposite to 2 is 6, opposite to 1 is 5, and opposite to 3 is, it can be 3, so it would be 4. The remaining number is 4, so that's it. So as you were asked to find the number which is opposite to the number 4, you got the answer, it's 3. That was it. Now coming to our final type, in which we are given an unfolded paper and we are asked to find the similar which is similar to this box formed from the given sheet of paper. So the trick is, next to the adjacent ones are opposite to the previous ones. Did you get that? I'll explain it. So this is an unfolded piece of paper and you are asked to find basically from these 4 figures which one resembles to it. So what I said was, next to the adjacent ones, so if I see that to the alphabet F, the next adjacent is E, and next to this adjacent is B, so this B is opposite to this F. That simply means if I skip one and write, that one is opposite to the other. So opposite to F is B, opposite to E is, I skip the second one, adjacent one, and I write that C, and the remaining is A, and it would be opposite to D. Now you go that which alphabet is opposite to the other, you're gonna get the answer really easily, really fast, so no need to explain further. Now let me take one more example of this particular type. Again, you are given an unfolded paper and you are asked to find the face which is opposite to the face which contains 3 dots. So as I told, the trick was, opposite to 6 the number would be 3, opposite to 4 the number would be 5, and the remaining opposite to 1 the number would be 2. But you needed the face which was opposite to 6, so this is the answer. 3, you get the answer 6. As easy as that. So this was it for this video. I hope you really liked this video and the trick which I discussed. So do hit the like button if you liked it. Also you can subscribe to our channel Team Must, as there are a lot more aptitude videos coming on. Till then, be must and keep rocking. Bye bye.